Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer at DeBoer's Auto. Just wanted to make a quick video and let everybody know that we've had the honor for the third year in a row to be honored by AAA and their Best in Auto award. This year we picked up a silver award, and we are very, very proud of our team and what they've accomplished to obtain that award. They don't just hand those awards out. As a matter of fact, I'm very proud of this award because there's very high standards even to become a AAA approved auto repair facility. We have to go through many hoops. They're constantly monitoring us. If you're a customer, you know that you've gotten phone calls from AAA with those survey requests. And it's a very respectable program, and then for us to be selected as the best of the best out of that program is just very humbling to us here at DeBoer's Auto. So I want to give a shout out to the team for all the hard work that they put in and day out. And let's try and hit again and see if we can get number 4 next year. Thanks again.